Hello guys, welcome to Mixing Tips with Mando Johnson. So I have something special for Logic Pro X users only. Sit back, relax and enjoy. So today I'll be teaching you on using importing documents, presets, settings or settings you've used on other projects or other files into a Logic project you are working on. So for instance, let me add my vocal audio input one, create. All right, so I'll record myself. Just listen, just for record's sake. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 yeah. Alright, so I have my voice here. 1 2 3 4 5. Let me just boost the gain a little bit. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now assuming I've mixed my vocal before, I could simply go to a project where I've mixed my vocal before. Or I go to all files. Yeah, this is Mando. So live mix. Then if it make So once you open it, like I have literally opened that project in this project. Can you see how easy that is? Now I just go to lead vocals. I have a couple of mixes I've done. Now I could copy every plugin there. I can copy every send. I can copy every input, however I've made the input and output, and I can copy the automation. So if I'm copying everything now, you know it's going to copy the whole length of this project. Well, let's put it and see how it looks. So I could just replace this and add all. So you see it has added every single thing I used on that mix. Like, see the bosses, then the output. So let me just put off this pitch corrector. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 yeah. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 yeah. So you can see even the automation from that previous track is right here. I simply copied everything from the other project down to this project. Alright, so let me just undo quickly and then okay, so let me do something else. Now I'm going to go to another project. Another simple trick of copying stuff from a project. Let me show you what you can copy from different projects. Now this is another project called My Hat. Now I open My Hat. You can see you can put on and off some options. So here I want to copy the global track from that track. It will have to replace though, because your global tracks are things like your marker, tempo, time signature, etc. So you see it has come with my markers. It has changed my tempo. This song has 2 time signatures, so you can see here this is 5/4. You see it has changed to 5/4, then it goes back to 6/8. Now let me copy stuff or audio from this sound, from this project. I'm going to copy this clap, the content, the EQ, the sends, the input and output, and the automation. I'm going to copy my shakers. I'll copy everything from the first shaker. I'm going to copy my pad. So right now I'm copying exactly, I'm copying plus the content. I'm copying plus the content. I'll copy my acoustic guitar. So you can see copied everything plus automation and whatever I would want to copy from that track comes to this new project. So well, I hope you've learned how to copy stuff from one project easily into another project. If you have an artist you're working with, you can simply copy his mix from one project you've mixed to another project. Well, so if you have any question, drop it down in the comment section below. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.